In Python, set intersection returns a set with all the elements sets have in common. Set A has 1, 2. Set B has 2 and 3. Let's print A dot intersection B. If we run this code, we'll see a set with just 2. This is because 2 is the element that the two sets have in common. Set intersection also has an operator to achieve intersection functionality. We can print A ampersand B and run that code, and we'll see the set with just 2, as 2 is the element in common between the two sets. This functionality is identical to just using the function. You can also do set intersection on multiple sets. Let's add set C with 2 and 4. Then we'll print A dot intersection of B and C. If we run this code, we'll see the set with just 2, as that is the shared common element between all three sets. In Python, set intersection update does set intersection, but updates the original set instead of returning the new set. I already have a video covering set intersection that I'll link to down below. The main concept of set intersection is a set with elements in common between the 2 or more sets. Let's do an example. Set A has 1, 2, and 3. Set B has 3, 4, and 5. A dot intersection update B. Print A. If you run this code, you'll see A has just 3. This is what we expected, as those are the numbers shared between A and B. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.